You just received the order, congratulations. Usually, we'd suggest starting to fulfill the order as soon as possible. But, don't hurry. First, make sure that the payment is completed. Let's read the info message, it's quite self-explanatory. Fulfill only the orders with payment status completed. Any other payment status means that the transaction is not completed and we have not yet received payment from the customer. If you ship an order with a payment status other than completed, in the event the customer cancels the payment or the transaction is not completed for any reason, the order amount will not appear on the withdrawal panel and we will not pay you for the item shipped. So, all you have to do is to check the payment status before you fulfill the order. Look at the payment status column. If you see a green button that says completed, you can start to fulfill the order. If you see a blue button that says processing or an orange button that says on hold, do not hurry with the order fulfillment. If you fulfill and ship the order with a payment status other than completed, there is a chance that you will lose your money if the transaction will fail for any reason. Thank you for your patience and understanding while we work on more convenient options.